Replacing the Max Trainer servo motor. 1. With power supplied to the machine, adjust the resistance to the maximum setting. 2. Unplug the AC adapter from the wall outlet and machine. 3. Remove the right stabilizer shroud from the machine if equipped. 4. Using a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, remove 3 screws on the top and sides of the lower right fan shroud. Then, loosen the lower screw from the right fan cover by at least 3 full rotations. 5. The right fan cover has a tab that needs to be pushed upward to clear the loosened screw. While pushing up on the tab, remove the right fan cover from the assembly. Note, the power cable is attached to the inside of the right fan cover. Be sure not to crimp the cable by placing the right fan cover close to the front of the machine. 6. Using a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, remove the 3 screws from the brake disc. 7. Carefully remove the brake disc from the machine. 8. Using an 8mm open-ended wrench, loosen the brake cable securing nut until the brake cable can be released from the servo motor arm. Nine. Remove the brake spring from the brake arm. 10. Disconnect the cables from the servo motor. 11. Using a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 screws that attach the servo motor to the frame. 12. Attach the new servo motor to the frame and reconnect the cables. 13. Carefully replace the brake disc. 14. At the maximum resistance setting, the outer edge of the brake magnet should line up with the outer edge of the brake disc. 15. If the brake assembly needs to be adjusted, use an 8mm open-ended wrench to loosen the brake cable securing nut. Turn the adjustment barrel by hand until the magnet is placed correctly. (16) Carefully rotate the brake disc. If the brake disc does not rub against the brake magnet, skip to step 19. Keep fingers out of any pinch opportunities when rotating the brake disc. Note, the brake disc may have a slight wobble. This is normal and will not affect machine function. 17. The brake magnets should be aligned with the brake disc and centered around the brake disc. If they are not aligned and centered, then the magnets are adding drag. 18. If the brake assembly only needs to be slightly adjusted, loosen the front screw that secures the brake assembly using a 10mm hex wrench. Rotate the brake assembly until the magnets are aligned and of equal distance from the brake disc. If the brake assembly must be fully shifted, loosen the 2 screws that secure the assembly and shift it until centered and aligned with the brake disc. Fully tighten the hardware. (19) Carefully reinstall the lower right fan shroud and install the 3 screws that were removed and tighten the lower screw. (20) Reconnect the AC adapter.